No, it's just gonna. God dang. Is he?
What's going on, my outdoor loving YouTube fam? Or welcome new viewers, I should say, to a lot of folks. If you want to become part of the fam, all you got to do is hit that like and subscribe. Today we're going to be starting with this project. It's my Monte Carlo, and I'll go back shadow a little bit, or you can go to the video, a couple of videos before this one, and see what the issue was and what the diagnosis was.
Well, I would say that's bad. Shit. Well, let's see, that's a little loose. That. I wonder. You know what? I don't think that's in the. I don't think that's in the damn. I don't think it's in the lifter. It's not in the lifter. As it shouldn't be, because it is burnt. That is not good. That's a push rod. Whenever you're putting together a valve train in a vehicle, you always want to take your push rod and roll it on a flat surface to make sure it's straight and that you don't see the gap change. I suspect that this one that I have in my pocket is bent, so I'm going to check it. Yup, it's bent. Gonna have to replace that one. I'm working late at night. It was so hot today. Just jumped. That scared the crap out of me. That's my friend shooting. And we live in the country, so shooting is legal here. I'm gonna shit my pants. Ain't gonna lie. No. Okay. Can't find my my T-wrench.
You think it's going to be easier to light up a burnout now?
This?
No, my trap.
No, it's just gonna. God dang.
Is he drunk or high?
Camera's on.
Really?
And yes, probably both.
5,000 volts.
Alright, so I'm comparing push rods. This is the one I just pulled out. And as you can see, it's black. Let's see if I can get that to focus. And you can see there's a seam in it because it has a very hard chromoly tip, a hardened shaft, and another chromoly tip press fit together. The originals out of the car, which is what I'm going to run for right now because money is an issue, is one molded piece. That basically it's a tube that they roll it down with basically a roller, and then it's a hollow tube. This is very weak. So we'll have to cut back our RPMs. And as soon as we get some money rolling in, we'll change it back for a good one. Not that this isn't good, it's not very strong.
I need that 22 thing, man. I want to get it.
So
and then I
you're
can
on
target
now.
practice. Yeah.
This is my boy Tubi, he's our shooter.
What's up, man? Bluegills.
Why am I doing this after a 14-hour shift at work?
Because we like the flick of the wrist.
Gotta keep you young, man. Keep you.
Dude,
Don't mind Nash, she's just sitting down here working on.
full tear down and clean. Oh, I just pulled that.
Tubi came over, so we played with pew pews for a little while.
Bang sticks.
Vacuum line to the power brakes. Alright, you can fire it up. That's a lot. That's a lot. Well, the car is running great, but the tachometer is on a highway to Wacky Town. Yums! My God! This is my dog Piper, according to AI. The AI thing said he put his dog Piper in the cage. My dog's name is Bexley, by the way. This is Chad's girlfriend, Piper.
Hi.
But anyway, we're out of here.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Like and subscribe.